Hello people, hello subscribers, and hello to you that has never watched my YouTube channel before. You are most welcome. Today I want to show you my top 3 presets on Guitar Rig 5. Are you ready? Let's go. As you already might know, I'm a music producer from Sweden and I work with a lot of different artists in Sweden, but also around the world. And, you know, there are many different genres that you have to approach in many different ways. And there are billions of sounds in your computer these days. So how can you really, figure which one to choose out? Well, I don't know, but sometimes you have to make a decision. And these are my top 3 presets on Guitar Rig 5. There are, again, billions of sounds, but I'm gonna just show you my favorites. Are you ready? I'm just gonna collect my guitar and we'll see what happens. Okay, you see me? And also on this camera. So, Guitar Rig 5 from Native Instruments. A beautiful thing to use, of course. A lot of alternatives, a lot of options. I just, first of all, I just want to show you a preset called Blues Git. And it sounds like this. It's very, very sleazy, very gritty, very high texture. That was the first one, number 29, Blues Git. And also, let's change style, shall we? Auto rhythm. I like this one because the harder you hit, the more high in cutoff you will achieve. Okay. So if I really do this in a soft way, you can hear. And you can just use it as a percussion as well. I like that one. Okay, that was number 2. What else do we have here? We have something called number 49, Clean Cave. Clean Cave. It's a huge sound. Beware. But I like it. It goes on forever. Okay. So let's wrap this up, shall we? The first one was, that's another one, Black Soundgarden. The number 29, Blues Git. Sorry. Yeah, number 29. Gritty, full of texture. And number 15, auto rhythm. Yeah, like that. And also number 49, clean cave. Wow. Okay. I'm just gonna put my guitar away. I'm still here. Like that. Okay. So, it is a jungle with the sounds out there. I know that. So this is just me trying to help you out. There are thousands of more sounds in this machine. It's absolutely fantastic. But, as always, if you have a clear mind and if you know your vision, it will be a lot easier and faster to search for your sound and to find your sound. So beware of that beforehand. So, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do. That will help me a lot, and it will make me create more videos like this. Until next time, keep it simple, feel his music. Bye.